free my brother Raymond, man. I miss you, bro. I love you. Stay up. I see my wrist on the top of the sun. I've been depressed since 2001. And I told the God, bitch, to come look it up. Yeah. They say that Christmas coming up, what you want? Just feed my brother and that skateboard and a gun. And feed the hood that my family was from. They be like, Peanut, I knew you since you was young. I always knew that you was a chosen one. Like, once your payday, can you handle with some? Black hoes, black money, black posts, got a big bank rolls, and a guap won't fold, and my heart too cold, and my heart too cold, my heart too cold, my emotions froze, I don't give a fuck about a bitch or a hoe, star dick pic, I wanna give her a rose, no same shit, I wanna give her a hoe, black hoes, black money, black posts, black press, black soul, black soul, like a stove, magic stove, like a troll, and she put me like a troll. I'm so depressed, I wish you the best, you don't ever fucking stress, I wanna sleep on her breast, and if she got advance, I hope that he got advance, don't even fucking guess that I will be breast.